Guys, last night I showed you my new teacher bag that I am super duper excited about. Last night I got so excited like a little kid who is going back to school, like packing my book bag and what I wanted in it. So I'm going to do a little what's in my bag. What's in my teacher bag? Let's find out. Okay, so if you didn't see my video last night, this is my bag. She's clear, she's super cute, she's waterproof, and it holds so much, has so many pockets. So we're gonna start with my little mesh pocket. I'm gonna turn the camera on so we can see it better. Okay, so for starters, in this little pack, claw clip, of course, in case I need to throw this messy hair up, some gum, and then I just have some little sticky notes in there just in case I needed some quickly. So we have that, and then if you open up the big pocket, okay, so in this pocket I have more sticky notes. You can tell sticky notes. My keys are in here, and there's a little hook that they can actually hook on. And then I have my new notebook from Walmart. Look how cute. Have a nice day. That's my little note-taking thing. Here is my planner that is also, where my keys are set. Here's my planner that's also from Walmart. Love it. This is my pencil bag. Has all my pens, highlighters, all that good stuff. And then this is like my essentials bag. Since it is clear, I needed like another bag to put, you know, the girly things in. Deodorant, hair ties, all those little things. So they're all in here. And yeah. So at first I was really nervous that my water bottle wouldn't fit because my water bottle is pretty big. I mean, it's not like those huge hydro jugs or anything, but this is my water bottle. I use it literally every single day. It's my favorite. I've never had a water bottle that keeps stuff this cold. And I was so worried it wasn't going to fit in my pocket, but look how perfect it fits, you guys. It just fits right there. My phone's trying to go off. And then we've got our little bag. I love it. I'm so excited. I haven't had like a book bag to take to work in a long time. And I was like trying it out this morning and I loved it. It was so easy and quick, and I'm not forgetting anything because I can literally see what's in my bag. Like I can go, oh, my keys are in there, my purse is in there. I can literally see everything that's in my bag, which makes it so much easier. With some of my other bags, I'm having to dig. But with this, it's so easy to like keep it organized. So that's my new bag. If you want to get you one, I have a code. It is Miss Kate, and they are sold on Amazon and they are Prime. So if you go through my Amazon storefront, I have a teacher bags little picture. Click that one and you will see this one, and there's also like another cute one that's like a duffel bag, and it has like pencils and scissors and all these cutesy little things on it. So if you want you one, use my code for 15% off and head to Amazon. I